Hi friends, I welcome you to our channel, We Are One. Today I intend discussing with you, which is very important subject as of today. Well, let's talk about secularism. We see a lot of carnage in the name of communalism all over the world. So let's try and see what exactly the secularism is and how can we avoid it. Well friends, 21st century has thrown up myriad challenges to humanity. Major one being one-upmanship. Everyone is trying to reach the acme of perceived or believed narrative. Even the nation states are struggling to boost their images or standings. But the fault lines in the comity of nations are too fragile in terms of religion, in terms of race, in terms of political beliefs and your regional aspirations.